In this video, you'll learn how to download and install Notion on Windows 11. By the end of this guide, you will have Notion ready to use on your computer. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 device. This browser is essential for navigating to the Notion download page. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth browsing experience. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the Google homepage. This will serve as your starting point for searching. You can confirm you are on the correct page by checking the search bar at the top. Next, type Notion download into the search bar and press the enter key. This search will provide you with various links related to downloading Notion, depending on your internet speed. The search results may load quickly or take a moment. After the search results appear, look for the link labeled Notion Desktop App for Mac and Windows. Click on this link to proceed to the official Notion download page. If you encounter a slow connection, be patient while the page loads. Once you are on the Notion download page, locate the button that says Download for Windows. Click this button to initiate the download process. The file size is typically around 100 megabytes, so be mindful of your available storage space before proceeding. After clicking the download button, the Notion installer will begin downloading to your computer. You can monitor the download progress in the lower section of your browser. If your internet connection is slow, this may take some time, so ensure you wait until the download is complete. When the download finishes, open Windows Explorer to access your files. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar. This step is crucial for locating the downloaded installer. In Windows Explorer, navigate to the Downloads folder. This folder typically contains all files downloaded from the internet. Click on Downloads Installer. Open the Notion installer by double-clicking on the file. This action will start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Make sure you read any prompts carefully, as they may require your input. Once the installation is complete, Notion will automatically open. You should see the Notion interface ready for you to start using. If it does not open immediately, you can find it in your start menu. You have now successfully downloaded and installed Notion on your Windows 11 computer. This application will help you organize your notes, tasks, and projects efficiently. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.